A video has been published with a Russian modernized Su-57 fighter during testing. The upgraded 5th-generation Su-57 combat aircraft has successfully passed one of the series of tests and is currently preparing for the next tests, which will soon put this modification into mass production. The combat aircraft will receive a new missile warning system and, probably, engines of the second stage, although the engines of the first stage are installed on the current version. The video footage shows the process of testing the latest version of the Russian 5th-generation fighter, which successfully flew for almost an hour, thereby making it possible to make sure that the aircraft is adapted to its subsequent combat use. In the near future, flight tests of the fighter will continue, and, probably, in the spring of next year, the fighter will be able to test new weapons. As previously reported, the upgraded version of the 5th-generation fighter was created on the basis of the T-50-11 prototype. To date, the exact number of Su-57 fighters in service with the Russian aerospace forces remains unknown. However, we are talking about a relatively small number of aircraft.